Okay, right now I think my screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir. It's clearly visible.
Okay, as just let me first show you what are the assignments are there in assignment 5, and I know that already you have completed. So I think you know right now assignment 5 figure 1 how to draw. Okay, and also we have completed assignment 2. So in the similar way, now you can draw the figures of assignment 5 figure number 3. That is my suggestion. Please, all of you, please try to draw these things. Just one thing, just you try to understand. In this case, you are getting one line, and these line dimensions from the any side, it is not given. I think it is not given. So if anywhere you are getting that dimensions are not given properly, you assume any dimension. What I am telling you,
Yes,
suppose
sir.
this line distance from this corner or from this side, means from any side, it is not given. One thing we can do that, I am considering, suppose it is a symmetrical part, that means we can draw one axis through the, because total distance is
Okay,
given
sir.
50 plus 40 plus 20. How much? 110. So in 90-degree, we can draw one axis or a line. Then this line distance is given 20. So if I take offset command in both side, I will get the distance, or other way you can draw this 20 line in other way. So this you can draw, but how much distance this is, it is from the any one side, that is not given. That is not given. So you can consider this distance, suppose is total is, this is 60. Okay, let me consider, suppose 60, this is 30. If this is 30 and you consider this is 50, from this center to this line distance is 50. This is not given, you will consider this is 50, and this side is the mirror part. So you can use the mirror command by you drawing one side. Now here you have one circle like this, because radius is given for outer circle radius 15. For inner this section, it is not circle, it is a ellipse like this. So you, if it is a inner section radius, this section is given 15 radius, this is 15. Okay, no, it is given, sorry, it is given here, total distance is 15.44. This distance is 15.44. Okay, you can see this distance is 15.44, and this distance, how to calculate?
Like 9 given now.
9 is the from this to this. This is 15. This radius, sorry, the diameter, because this distance is not given in this figure also. So if it is not given, you assume any dimension and complete this type of drawing. Another thing I want to mention, that is, if we consider this line and this is the point, from here we have to draw, because it is a semicircular section like this. It is not semicircular. Actually, this line is the tangent drawn from this point to with this circle. So here you will get one circle, because radius is 15. You will draw one total complete circle. Then from this point you will draw the tangent. Just let me show here. I think right now the my screen is visible. First, let me set the units, command is units. So first you set all dimensions are in millimeter. If it is okay, then press OK button. Now what I want to say that suppose this is a circle. Just I am taking a arbitrary distance. Okay, not arbitrary. I am taking 100. Enter is the radius of the circle. Now suppose you know this line is suppose it will be vertical line on your ortho mode. Draw this direction with 100 distance. Okay. Now I want to say that you have to draw a line that will join with this end point of the line with this circle, and that will be the tangent. So again you take the line command, select line, select this one, end point. Now off the ortho mode because you are going to draw the inclined line. Now move your cursor. Now when I am moving here, it is not showing any tangent symbol. It is not showing. If it will not show, then what you will do, you will go to this status bar at this corner, because this is the object snap. Just beside the object snap, you will get one object snap option, because here you will get object snap option. You have to on the tangent. On the tangent, okay, then just you, when we will move now, it will show the tangent. Here it is showing right now, you can see. Okay, so click here and press escape button to exit from the command. In this way also, in the other side also you can draw. And finally, suppose I am considering a line, suppose like this. Just let me draw horizontal line. Okay, now you can trim the unwanted part. So trim, double enter, select this one. Right now this is not visible, so just delete this section. So in this way you will make that as figure number 3. Just you see, in this way you will draw the tangent, because tangent option you have to make sure that it is on, then only you can do this. Okay, please tell me if you have any confusion. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I think please, all of you, please give me assurance that you are understanding. Okay. So in this way you have to draw the tangent. Okay, so this is figure number 1, and other dimensions, suppose anywhere you are getting that it is not mentioned, you will take arbitrary dimension. You assume the arbitrary dimension, because this is the hole, it is hole, but these two holes are not circular, but these holes are circular. Sometimes the distance are not mentioned also. Okay, in this case, this is the distance 9 is given. You can consider this will be also 9. This distance gap will be also 9. Is it clear? Is it clear? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Okay, now next assignment, I'm going to discuss the next assignment. Okay, there we have another assignment. You can see this is figure number 4. It is a circular section. Just let me discuss. It is a circular section, and this is a hollow section. This part dotted line is given. Dotted means dash line is given. Dash dash line means this part is the hidden part. Okay, this is the hidden part. If you can submit this one after understanding, it's okay. If you are unable to understand, in another class I will discuss, but today just let me discuss some portion so that it will be easy to draw.
Okay, sir.
This part is the hollow section.
Sir, can you explain the taper?
Yes,
1
taper,
is to
I'm
30?
explaining, wait. So actually try to understand, this is the dash dash line. Dash dash line means this part is the hollow section. Here this part is also hollow. You can see here also upper section. This is the dash dash line is given. So it is a hollow section, but it is a circular section. Okay, it is a circular section. Now in this figure, this is the same figure. One is the front view. That means it is a front view. It is the top view. Do you know what is front view and top view?
Yes, sir.
Orthographic position is discussed in your class.
Yes, sir. Today only.
Sir, right now, Amrit sir discussed orthographic position.
Okay. So in
About the
orthographic
top view.
projection, what happened? This is the front. It is a right circular section. It is a circular section. So when you will see from top to bottom, that means from up to down, that means this hollow section, it will be visible here. It is a hollow section. So this is a top view. This is also front view. Today also I will discuss the front view and top view part, so that your next assignment can be drawn. Okay. Now these dimensions are already given. 63 is the outer, 30 is the inner section. Now here one part is the taper. Taper section means it is not vertical. This line is not vertical. It is inclined. Okay, how to understand? 1 in 30. Let me draw, suppose a triangle like this. Let me draw one triangle. Now if this is 1, just try to understand, this is 1, this is 30. So 1 by 30, theta equal to tan inverse 1 by 30, will get this angle. That is the taper. Taper means the cross section of the machine parts or for any body gradually decreasing. Let me draw one view so you can understand. Suppose this is my center line. I am considering like a center line. Now gradually if I decrease the cross, what happened? Just try to understand. It is a circular section. I am drawing a circular section. So let me use the mirror command. Mi enter mirror. Now select object, enter. Now specify mirror line. Okay. Now this is what I am drawing actually. Try to understand. This is also the circular section. It is a center line. I am deleting this part. If you see from top, you will get two circles. This circle, larger circle, and smaller circle. It is a round section. But what happened? Its cross section, means area, is decreasing gradually. So, are you understanding my point? It is actually front view. If I see from top view, what we will get? We will get two circles. We will get two circles.
Yes, sir.
One is this circle in the top section, because it is a round section. I have said it is a round section. This is also total section is a round, but its cross section is decreasing gradually. Now this is called the taper. It is inclined with some angle. So this angle can be calculated calculated. How to calculate it? Because suppose this, if I erase the, if I trim the this section, just to try to understand, I am trimming this part. If I consider this is 1, this is 30, then we will get the angle here. This angle is theta. We can calculate. This is called the taper. Understood? What is taper? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
next I am going to next assignment. Now I think this assignment you can draw because it is a round section. Here is a hollow section. That means it's don't have material inside this section. This is also hollow section, but this is front view, this is top view. Okay. Now if I go to next assignment, assignment 6, you will get some of the isometric. Yes,
Sir, I have a doubt in figure number 3, sir. Can you
yes, yes.
please go to that thing? Sir, in the
This
R6, yes, this one, sir. How we can draw, how we will be drawing it, sir?
Do you, this circle you can draw. This circle you can draw. You
Yes,
can
sir, I can draw it.
you can draw this line in 35-degree angle. Okay. Now after this circle,
Yes,
there
sir.
is a distance.
Okay.
Distance is 3. 3 means from this circle point, where is the center of this circle, semicircle, center to this end of the circle, distance is 3. Now can you draw?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Using the ellipse, we will after that we will be
It is
trimming
not ellipse. It is not ellipse.
Fillet.
It is not ellipse. Let me draw. Let me draw here.
Sir, we can use fillet.
No, not fillet. Don't use fillet here. It is not fillet. Suppose circle.
Fillet is for curving the edges.
Okay, just
That why use
it
fillet.
is R24. This is R24 means radius. Okay. So first we'll draw radius with 24. R24. Enter. So this is the circle. Okay. Now I'm drawing. Going to find out the center. Where is the center? So let me draw one line like this. Okay. Now if I want to draw a line
Okay, sir.
and which is inclined with 35-degree angle. Okay. So if this side is 135, in the other side this is 90. Just you see, this is 90. This side to this side, this is 90. We have to draw 135 in this
Yes, sir.
direction. So can you tell me what is the other direction, other angle will be? Because it is showing right now, suppose 145. What will be the value? Total 360 degrees.
Sir, 360 minus
135 minus 90. 360 minus 135 minus 90. That is also 135. I can use the
Yes, sir.
tab button. If I press from tab directly here, because right now this facility is given in the 2020, 2021, this type of AutoCAD. So you can use. Now 135 I'm writing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Enter. Now just I am escaping from here. Now if I want to extend this line, command is extend, EX, double enter, select this one, it will join with this circle. Now from this line, okay, now from here along this, means along 135, how much distance was given in the figure?
3, sir.
3. Yes, that was given 3. So in 135, right now it is 135. I am considering 3 enter.
Yes, sir.
Let me show that drawing. Yes. Okay, one thing we have to, there will be slight deviation, because what happened, if I join this one, I am taking the 3 distance from this point, but distance is taken from this 2, from this point, from the middle. Okay, now one thing we can do. Can you tell me this radius is 6? That means this diameter is how much? This distance. This distance is 6.
12.
12.
6.
Yes, 12. It will be 12. So
12, sir.
12. So that means if it is possible to cut the section in both sides in 12, it will be better to.
Sir, we can draw a parallel line.
Okay,
which is,
okay.
12
Correct.
millimeter.
So offset O, enter. Distance is 6.
So both
6,
sides
correct.
6, 6.
I am taking this line up
Sir,
this
we will
line,
select
this
that line. Yes,
okay,
sir.
now one
Sir, on both the
we-
side.
we
Yes,
will
sir.
get
On that
some
side
gap.
and this side.
Gap is given.
Yes, sir.
There is a gap.
Sir, we will extend
Extend.
the line,
Double
sir.
enter. Extend these 2 lines up to this, but one thing.
Yes, sir. Now we will selecting the line, sir.
But one thing,
Yes,
just
sir.
if I see the drawing here, this dimension is taken 3 from
Yes, sir. We will
from
selecting the
here.
line.
From here it is taken 3.
Yes, sir.
So, but we have not.
Now we will use the trim function.
So we have to trim, but first we have to draw the line here from here, 3 distance. Suppose I am considering 3. I am drawing line L, enter. I am selecting this one. In the same side, I am taking distance 3, enter. What I am doing? Are you understanding my point?
Yes, sir.
Now let me erase the larger line. I am erasing the larger one. Now this is also not required, because if I take, okay, it will be better in this side also. It will be better if I again draw. It is sometimes it is थोड़ा सा critical है, is थोड़ा सा trying. So in this side also, angle is 135. This direction angle is 135. Distance 3, enter. Now erase the previous one. Now you will join this one. Okay. Now you can draw a circle like this and trim the unwanted sections in this way. Now this is also not required. This is also not required right now. This is also not required. Do you understand?
Okay, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir. Now
so
we can do it.
So in this way we can draw, because there is some critical portion, because it is a circular section. This line distance is given 3 actually, but if I take the offset, it will not touch. We have used the extent to specify the point on the circle. Then we have drawn the line and we have deleted the previous one. In this way we have solved the problem. So when you will draw different diagrams, then
Yes,
easily you can solve that type of silly problem. Okay, so I am going to next slide. See, in assignment 6, figure 1, 2, 3, 4 show the isometric view of different machine components. Draw the orthographic view, first angle projection and isometric view. Achha, can you tell me, Amrit sir, from where he has given you idea about the orthographic view?
Sir, he did till first angle projection. Sir.
From where he have discussed this the orthographic view? Have you seen any slide? Let me sure that have you seen any slide?
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
just use, I am also sharing one slide. Just you tell me, same slide is this discussed or not?
The orthographic means view from the top.
Now, have you seen same slide or different slide? Just you tell me first.
Sir, different.
It is
Different slide.
different.
No, sir, same.
Is this same?
Same,
No,
sir.
Same
Same.
slide?
Yes,
Okay,
Same.
okay.
sir.
So
Yes,
Same.
sir.
okay, very good. So again, just let me discuss some of the portions so that we can start our drawing. Okay, okay. So very good. So here in orthographic, you know that right now there are three planes: horizontal plane, vertical plane, and profile plane. And these three planes are mutually perpendicular. And also front view is the view projected on VP, top view is the another view projected on HV. There are two side view, left hand side view and right hand side view. Both are projected on PP. So I know you already seen this slide, but let me discuss some of the things so that we can start our drawing. Now this is vertical plane because it is perpendicular on the HP, because HP means horizontal plane, VP means vertical plane. And this one is the profile plane. Profile plane is perpendicular on both VP and HP because you can see angles are 90 degree. Okay. So let me, okay, so next slide, what you will do, because this is a 3D representation, VP, HP, profile plane. Now VP is always fixed. VP is always fixed. Only movable part is HP and PP. So we can rotate HP and PP because actually we have to project any object in A4 sheet or A1 sheet. And A1 or A4 sheet, it is a 2D representation. So for any type of 3D object, if I want to represent in 2D, we have to draw three views. Front view. So front view is the view drawn on VP because we have to follow in this direction. We are the observer. So we'll observe the object. Suppose you consider a right circular cone lying on HP, right circular cone or conic pyramid. Okay, circular pyramid also. It is also said the circular pyramid. So right circular cone, suppose standing on HP, if you see from this direction, because you are the observer, you will see directly in this direction. So what is the view? Can please tell me what is the view you can see on VP? Which view you will see on VP for a right circular cone?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Which view you will get on VP for a right circular cone? Please give me answer. Am I audible? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
So
Yes, sir, you are
please
audible.
Yes,
give me the
clearly
answer.
audible.
Give me answer. Which view will get on this VP if we have a right circular cone standing on HP? That means lying on HP, standing on HP. Just consider. It is a circle. So HP on the circle, and that is a slant height, like this slant height. কি টাইপের ভিউ পাবো?
Sir, like a curve. Sir, curve type.
No. If you see any object in this direction on the VP, you will get a triangle. It is a right circular cone. First, you try to understand how it looks like. A right circular cone, how it looks like. That is the apex or vertex in the top. Slant circular section. Slant circular section. And finally, the ground, there is a circle. Yes or no? No. And first term of a cone, that is the, I can show you. It is like this. It is a circular section. It is a first term. It is taken. So if I extend this section up to this, that is both lines are going to join at a point. It is a right circular cone. Its front view, what you will get? You will get one triangle on the front view. And if you see from top to bottom, what you will get? You will get a circle on HP. On profile plane, if I see from your left hand side, because you are observer, you will standing here. You are standing here. You will see from left hand side. And the object you can project on the other side. That is on the profile plane. That is also a triangle. Now try to understand, after unfold these two planes, you will get finally this shape. That means this shape. So front view, top view, side view. Let me discuss this problem so that you can understand. Suppose you are the observer. Where you are standing? You are standing always here. Here you are standing. So you will see the object in this direction. And for object, the faces are directly visible. That is your front view, because you are looking at the object from your front. You are seeing the object from your front, and this surface is visible. This is blue color, and that can be projected on VP. That is vertical plane. If you see the same object from top to bottom, what you will get from top to bottom? You will get this face. And that can be projected where? On the HP. HP means horizontal plane. And for profile plane, you have to see the object from left hand side, because you are standing here. Your left hand side is this side. This side. So from your left hand side, if you see the object, you will get only this face. And this is visible on profile plane. Now, if you unfold HP, VP, and VP, not VP, VP is fixed. If you unfold HP in 90 degree, if you unfold PP in 90 degree, then you will get the final figure, front view, top view, and side view. Let me show. Are you understanding or not? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
If you have any type of doubt, please tell me. Otherwise, I will think that everything is clear. We can start in Autocad. The same thing we can start in Autocad. Okay, let me discuss this figure. Try to understand. This is, you are standing here. This is the object. Suppose you are considering this is one plane. This is vertical plane. Here, this is horizontal plane. This is profile plane. Now, when you will see the object in this direction, because you are standing here, you are observer, this is object. So the faces visible clearly, this is for your front view, because this face is, you can see in this direction. You can see also this face. So this is your front view. If you see from top to bottom, upar se niche, what faces are visible? This face, you can see this face, this face, this face. So you can project this face on the horizontal plane. That will be your top view. TB means, TV means top view. So this is the top view. For side view, if you see from this direction, that is your left hand side, this face is visible from left hand side, this face and this face. That means this is the these faces are your left hand side view. From your left hand side, if you see the object, it will be left hand side view, and from your right hand side, if you see the object, then profile plane will be in the other side. Now profile plane will be not there, it will be in this side, and right hand side view, that is RSV. It will be right hand side view in this section. Are you understanding my point, what I am telling you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes.
okay, now if I go to assignment directly, see here all dimensions are given. This is the isometric view. Isometric is nothing but a 3D view, but it is there is some difference in between 3D and isometric. Right now I am not describing this one. Isometric actually is called the 2.5D. It is not 3D. Now in this section, you always follow the arrow. You will always follow the arrow. You can also follow the other side arrow also. So you can make also the arrow in this side. With respect to this arrow, actually, here it is given in this direction. With respect to this arrow, you can draw the front view and top view. Now, in this direction, which faces are visible? You can see these faces are visible. These faces, so this side, what you will get? Can you see the round section? Please tell me, if you see from this side, can you see the round section? Round section in the lower side, can you see?
Yes, sir.
No, we cannot see the round section. You will get one rectangular section in the lower section. Also, if I see in this side, can you see this round section for our front? It will be in this direction. The arrow is given in this direction. Whatever you are getting, the faces, these are front view. You cannot see this round. You will get here was rectangle. Round you can see for top view. When you will see from top to bottom, only this round can be visible, not this round. This round only can be visible. But when you will for front view, what happened? This round you can see. So,
Sir, I could not understand this. Please repeat again.
you follow the arrow first. You follow the arrow. If you see this side, which faces are visible? This face, you can see this face, this face, this face are visible. But this is round section. So when you will see from your front, this face you can see, this round portion also you can see. But this round portion you cannot see, because you can see here as a rectangle.
Okay.
This section, this round part, can you see when you will see for front view? Tell me please. Can you see this round section when you will see from this direction?
Yes.
How? No, you can see just last edge, and that is looking like a rectangle. You cannot see the round. When you will see from this direction, only these faces are visible. But if you see, if you follow the arrow side, this round section is not visible. It will be looking like a rectangle. Let me draw, so it will be clear. I am taking in AutoCAD 60 degree given. Okay. So I am going to draw a line with 60 degree first. Okay. Sorry, 60 distance, 60 millimeter. Let me erase all. Delete. First command is line. I am taking line. On the ortho mode, distance is 60. Enter. Now, this direction, what is the thickness? Just you, if you see from this side, 12 is given. This is 12. I am drawing this line, this line. This is 12. So this side is 12. Enter. I don't know this one. Okay, now what I am doing, I am just drawing this 40 right now. I have drawn up to this 60 means this line. From here to here, we can draw 140 line. 40 distance is given. So what I am doing for front view, this direction I am doing 40, enter. So now I can specify the center line. So for this case, we have to on the midpoint to find out the center. Now it will show the center. Now let me consider circle. Command is circle. C, enter for circle. This is center. I am taking the round section. Let me trim out the lower section, that is not required. Double enter, trim. It is not required. Here we have another circle with diameter 16. So I am taking another circle, C for enter. This is center. So radius will be how much? 8. Enter. So this is the one side actually I am drawing. Now in the lower side, what is the distance in this side? What I am doing? If I see the, yes, tell me. If I have drawn up to this, I have drawn up to this. Now what is the distance from this to this? 20. It is given. You can see this is 20. 20 I have to go down. So again I am taking line. This distance will be 20. Enter. I have completed up to this. Next, this distance, because I also can get for my front view this face. Okay, this face also I can get. What is, first you calculate 20 from this corner to center of this circle. Then again radius 20 means from this point to this up to extreme point. This is 20. So what I am doing, I am drawing a line with 40 distance, enter. Now what is the thickness now? This thickness is how much? 12. This is I am taking 12, enter. Now I am moving my cursor this direction. Now see, both lines are intersecting. Now I can trim this section. This also not required. This also not required. Okay. But I have drawn up to this. So this also I have to draw. So its total outer will be similar to this one. So here also from the center, another 20 we can draw in the lower section. So that means I'm taking offset command, O enter, in 20 distance, enter. In this direction, I'm taking one offset. Okay. Now I can extend the line, double enter, extend this line to join with this. Now, one thing just to try to understand, for front view, we will get this type of shape. Please, all of you try to understand. If you see in this direction, you will get this face only, what I have drawn only in AutoCAD. Now you can tell me, sir, there was circle, but circle is hollow section, but we are unable to view this hollow section. Of course, we are unable to view the hollow section. So that thing we can specify, because you see in 60, here is the radius. That means this distance is in 60 distance. So in 60, we are considering there is a hollow part. So let me draw O enter offset, 20 enter offset. So actually this is the my center. Hollow section we can identify by hidden lines. So again I am taking offset O, enter, 8, enter. Let me draw first, then I am explaining you. Let me draw first so that you can understand. Now try to understand. I am considering this is my center line. These lines are hidden. Do you know how to make it center line and hidden line? Please tell me, do you know how to make it center line and hidden line? Command is line type. Please note down also. Command is line type. LINE TYPE. Command is line type. Press single enter. So you will get this window. In this window, first you have to load all types of line. So select on load. Then you will get all types of line is here. You can see all types of line. Now select any one from here. Now for selection all, press Ctrl A at a time. Press Ctrl A from your keyboard at a time. Now press OK. All lines are loaded. Now again press OK. Now if I want to make this outline to convert in center line, select at the middle, right click on this. You will go to property. On this property, here you have a line type option. Change it to center line. Directly you can find out by pressing C. If you press C, center will come. Select this one. This is C. This is center. Okay, but this is not visible or clearly visible center line because we have to change the line type scale. Arbitrarily you have to change it by changing the digit. Like if I change it to 0.1, what happened? 0.1 enter. Now you can see it is changing. Line is changing. We can also change the color, line weight, and the other properties also. So if I consider this is the center line, now this line I'm making hidden. Suppose this is hidden. Find out hidden line from here. Press H. Hidden is here. Change the scale. 0.5. Enter. Now cross this one to close this. Okay. Now use the match property to transfer this property to the others like this. Now same thing I have to draw on also in this side because there is also hollow section. This is the hollow part I have identified by hidden lines because up to this this is hollow. Now you just try to understand the figure. This is the hollow section. When you will see for your front view, the lower side you will get a rectangle and this side also you are getting a rectangle. You cannot see the round section. Okay, so it will be better in the same time if you make it hidden line and here also you have to make the hidden. So please tell me if you have any doubt in front view because same thing I have to make it in this side also. Same thing. I can make it easily. Please tell me, do you have any doubt for front view because this will be your front view. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay,
Audible, sir, you
sometime
are.
I'm missing my voice or your voice maybe. Okay, so please all of you try to understand the front view, top view, side view from NDVert. Engineering drawing. It is a you search in Google engineering drawing. Okay, NDVert. ND NDVert. This is the book.
Sir, will you please give the record in our Google Classroom?
I will send it. No problem. I will send it. Okay, so next class we will discuss the same drawing. Just you go through this point, what is front view, top view, okay, and side view for orthographic first angle projection. Just you try to understand from book also. In next class we will discuss the other portions. So thank you very much. Now you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Please all of you give your attendance.
Thank you, sir.